Welcome to Obsessions Gifts. Thank you so much for coming in and participating in our spin or splatter or our drip bears. We want to welcome you. We've been here for approximately in Railroad Square 8 years. And we have a splatter room, as you can see. It's a messy room, and so you could spin art in here, or either you could splatter. We do the splatter because of a famous artist by the name of Jackson Pollock. He lived in 1940s, and what he would do was he would take a canvas, a huge canvas, and he would put it on the floor, and he would take paint, and he would either throw paint on the canvas or either he would drip paint. Now, Jackson Pollock, he made millions of dollars from this. So we're looking for $1 million painting from you. Just joking. But definitely be creative and use your imagination. Relax, have fun. Thank you. Welcome to the splatter room. So in here, I want you to be as creative as you want. Use your imagination and have a lot of fun, but be mindful of your neighbor, okay? You will get messy, but you have on your poncho, you have on your gloves, and you have on your goggles. These goggles, the bigger goggles, are for when you have glasses on. On your canvas, make sure that you put your name on this part of the canvas. Then there are hooks in the wall. They're kind of camouflage, but there's hooks. Once you find your canvas, then you're going to put your canvas on the hook. Then you're going to come over to our paint section. We usually have more paint, but I just wanted to use black and red. Make sure that you keep the same colored brush with the same colored paint. Do not mix them. We use community paint because you get a chance to communicate with each other. And that's one of the things that our shop is about. So to splatter, you're going to take your brush, put it in the paint, and then you are going to, just like you do a baseball or throwing a ball, you're going to take your brush and throw it. Now, hold on to your brush, but you're going to take your brush, throw the paint onto the canvas. So you could do that, or you can take your brush and flick it. So it gives a different pattern. Or take it and go like this. Make sure that you keep the same colored brush with the same colored paint. Now, each one of you all are going to be sharing the brushes and the paint, so be mindful of your friend. The more paint you use, the longer it will take to dry. Once you're finished with the canvas, then you're going to take your painting and you are going to alert the staff, walk over to the staff, and give them the painting. Once you've handed your canvas to the staff, then you're going to take off all of your protective gear. You are going to take and put your poncho and your gloves into a trash can. You're going to take your goggles and put it into the black basket or into the location that the staff have told you. Now you're ready to wash your hands. Now we have two types of soap. One is regular soap. The other is orange soap. Orange soap is gritty and it gets all the paint off of your hands. The staff at Obsessions would like to thank you. Thank you for choosing us to come and enjoy art with and to do art. We really appreciate you and we hope that you come back.